beautiful song by the Beatles, Norwegian Wood. Hey, I'd love it if you left a comment and subscribe to my channel. That would be really great, because I love teaching these songs to you and I want to hear from you. So Norwegian Wood was on Rubber Soul, classic Beatles album. I'm doing this one in D. I think they actually capoed up for the original, but for my voice this works just fine. I'm going to show you the chords, and I'm also going to show you a couple little licks that go along with it. So you start out with your D chord, and it does this little lick. It goes. That's kind of the meat of the song. That's the melody that happens over and over. So I just want to show you that lick before we carry on, because this will help you to get into the song. You've got your first finger on the second fret of the G string, so you're hitting that A note, and you pluck both the D string and the G string and go. Okay, and this gives kind of a drone Celtic sound, and then you hammer on. Okay, 4th fret, 3rd finger on the G string, and then back, and then open G string, and then hit a 4th fret on the D string, 3rd finger. So it sounds like this. Okay, and then back to an E note, which is the 2nd fret on the D string, 1st finger. And then an open G, and then back to the 4th fret on the D string, 3rd finger. So it goes like this. And then back to the E, G, F sharp, and then D, and then I hit a C chord. Okay, I walk a C chord down. So I'll do that really, really slow so you get it. Time slowly. Okay, and this is what it sounds like up to speed in the form of the song. Beautiful melody, hey? And really Celtic sounding. The bridge is cool. So you're in the key of D, right? It's a D major. So what the bridge does, those clever Beatles, they went to a D minor, to a G, back to the D minor, a cool little turnaround. E minor 7th to an A. So that's the turnaround. And the Beatles are clever with their changes and their turnarounds, I noticed. So again, the bridge to G, started to back to the D minor. E minor 7th, now you can do that change with an E minor 7th and leave that pinky where it is on the 3rd fret of the B string, and just drop into an A7th sus. Hear that? That's kind of a nice way to resolve the change. Okay, hopefully you can see that clearly. So once again, the bridge. To your D minor, then E minor 7th, the A sus, and then you go back to that lick. That, my friends, is Norwegian Wood by the Beatles from the fabulous album Rubber Soul.